Gotcha Life Dress Up. And this really helped me with my fashion sense. For example, wings. Those are pretty evil looking wings. Let's add some blush. When you click the face button, you just get a nose and a mouth. There's a dress. Oh, you can rotate through them. Well, which do I want? Yes, this one. And hair. This is pretty cool. I could play this every day. I want antlers, evil antlers. Now it's way past Thanksgiving, but Henry Stickman Collection Turkey themed by developer Thailand. Press Y to start. No. Time for a meal. No. Here we go. Press 1 to equip with a gun. This does not look appropriate. How much money? Now, is this Thai baht? Is that how you say the money in Thailand? Or is this actually I need to pay that much? Will you pay? Yes. Too bad. What? Now, just for the record, we don't allow guns or weapons or blood or violence at Hackingtons. We do allow exploding toilets. We have Tennis Pong by Enoch Dan. I sort of remember this. Wait a minute. Page 139 from my book. You did it. Someone actually made that game, the most challenging game in the book. So here we go. Let's play hard. I'm going to play hard mode. Yeah, it's exactly like the game in the book. And it has the same problems as well. You can hit it with the handle. Look at that. I should go and fix that. Oh, look at this. Can I win? I lost. Okay, we have Scratch by Brendan Fly. Now, platformers, they can be incredible, or they can be a little too easy if there aren't bad guys or kind of interesting obstacles to avoid. I'm going to attempt to beat the game asleep. We have Groggy Froggy by J Thorpe 4, and this game is trippy. How do I control the movement? Up, down, left, right? It's like a dance party. If you'd like me to feature your game on the show, go ahead and submit it at hackingtons.com/scratch. Do not submit remixes. I don't want to see any Griff Patch tutorials that are just copy and pasted over here. I want complete games. And please, add some sound and music to the games. It makes them way more professional. I'll see you next time on The Scratch Show.